The book starts out with these three sharecropper brothers, Cain, Cobb, and Chimney, Jewett. You know, they're in Georgia, their father dies. This sort of a pulp dime novel called The Life and Times of Bloody Bill Bucket. And they decide to follow in Bill Bucket's shoes and rob a bank and become rich. Well, then the book just goes on from there. In the United States, the book is called The Heavenly Table, but we're over here in France, they have chosen to call it by actually the title that I preferred, A Death Worth Fighting For. And I tell everybody this, that France has been so good to me. I have a lot of fans or readers in the States, but the United States is so big and it's so spread out, and you don't really meet that many people. And over here, there's just such a concentration of people who support literature, and it's just been fantastic.